pursuant to Section 13 and 13B of the same Act, the President has nominated Dr. Patrick Ngugi Njoroge and Mrs. Sheila Mijiwe to the positions of Governor and Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Kenya, respectively. The President therefore seeks the approval of the National Assembly on the same nominations. Honourable members, the above provisions of the Central Bank of Kenya Act require that in making appointments to the offices of the Chairperson of the Board of Directors, the Governor and Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Kenya, the appointing authority shall seek parliamentary approval. Section 5 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011 provides that an appointing authority shall, upon nominating a person for an appointment to which this Act applies, notify the relevant House of Parliament accordingly. Consequently, a proper notification in line with the above provision has been received. Honourable members, as the Central Bank of Kenya Act does not provide specific timelines for the consideration of the nominations, it follows that Section 8, Subsection 1 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011 comes into effect. In this regard, therefore, the House has 14 days to consider the nominations in accordance with the relevant laws. Honourable members, questions may arise as to whether the Chairperson of the Central Bank of Kenya Board is subject to the provisions of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act. My reading of Section 11 of the Central Bank of Kenya Act confirms that, indeed, the appointment of the Chairperson, the Governor, the Deputy Governors, and other non-executive directors ought to be approved by the House. Honourable members, pursuant to the provision standing under number 42, subsection 3, paragraph C, I now refer the message from the President containing the names of the nominees together with their curriculum vitae, the report of the selection panel, and the score sheets to the Departmental Committee on Finance, Planning and Trade to conduct the approval hearings and table their report on or before June 16, 2015.